date is late, and I'm deciding whether or not I want to leave or not because I don't know. I just like I always feel late. Being late is kind of rude, you know what I mean? It's just like it means you don't really respect other people's time, and I respect people's time, and I kind of hold them to very similar standards to me. So, anyways, that's just what I'm thinking about right now. It's a pretty cute neighborhood, honestly. Right. So it's like south of Golden Gate Park, wherever that is. I think it's like Outer Sunset, but it's slightly more right to that. But I don't know, it's kind of cute. I don't really imagine myself living here. The houses are very reminiscent of what you really think about SF housing. But yeah, I'm just waiting here. I did travel pretty far to get here. It took me an hour, and this is by her place, so I don't know. I thought like the least you could do if you suggest a place near your place is just to arrive on time, you know? But I guess not everyone's like that. I think the nice thing about doing these walks gives me something to do inside and wait in, you know, otherwise I'm just twiddling my thumbs and yeah, it's not really fun. It's also pretty cold outside, so it's not even pleasant to be out. Yeah, I think that's such a vibe killer, honestly. We were joking about how this would be a sort of vibe check, and so far it's really, really not passing the vibe check. Like, I really like this person just by talking to them on Hinge, but I don't know if I feel that way anymore. Everything is just so cold, and I'm just so bored right now. And also, I don't know, she picked this like really Asian place, and I'm not sure if that means like she has like an Asian fetish or what, you know what I mean? Because otherwise, this seems like a pretty random place to pick to go on a first date. So I ended up staying, and it was so just not worth it. Oh my god. I should learn to say no better and just leave when I want to. Anyways.
$46.